Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to The Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients, they're down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Alright, for the second video of our Winter Wonder Month, we're going to be making a gingerbread cake. Now this is super decorative, so festive. It's sure to lift your holiday spirits. I really hope you guys give this one a try. Stick around and we'll get started. Alright, to get started we have a list of our ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a cup of brown sugar that's been packed, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cloves, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 large eggs at room temperature, half a cup of molasses, half a cup of hot water, and half a cup of butter. Let's begin. In a large bowl, we're going to sieve all of our dry ingredients together. Now we're going to cream together both of our sugars and our butter that's softened at room temperature. Just a little tip, whenever you're creaming butter and sugar together in any recipe, make sure that you constantly scrape the sides down to get everything incorporated. Now we're going to add all of those delicious molasses. And for the last bit, we're going to add in each egg one at a time. Now we're going to alternate adding our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. Starting with the dry and ending with the dry. Now half of our hot water. Alright, we have our 6-inch lined with parchment and sprayed. We're going to put our cake batter into that. That's just the easy way to level it out. Now we're going to bake this off in a preheated oven that's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. We'll see you all when we get it out of the oven. We're going to go ahead and make our 2 other rounds. See you guys in a little bit. Next, we're going to be making our cream cheese icing that we're going to use to layer our cakes with. Now that our butter is at the perfect temperature, we're going to break this up with our hand mixer, and then we're going to add in our cream cheese that's also been softened at room temperature. Now for that tried and true teaspoon of vanilla extract. We want to slowly add in our powdered sugar here because our icing is going to become really thick really fast. So you want to add just a little at a time to keep it at a workable consistency. And then last but not least, we're going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of whole milk. And this will just help us get the perfect consistency to spread it on our cake. Alright, now let's assemble this cake and decorate it. It's sure to be a showstopper. Alright, our cakes have come out of the oven. They've completely cooled. We've prepared our cream cheese icing, and now we're going to start layering our cakes and getting them ready for a crumb coat. So what'd you guys think? I love these warm holiday spices that fill this cake. You can't beat cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove to me. Paired with the cream cheese icing, holy moly, it's the perfect blend of tangy and sweet. It's so good. Now you can decorate this cake however you want. You can leave it bare if that's what you want to do and not decorate it at all. I just think it's the perfect showstopper for a beautiful holiday table. That's all we've got for this week. But if you want 2 new recipes every week from now on, and you don't want to miss any more of Winter Wonder Month, click that subscribe button down below. Alright, that's all we've got today, guys. From my home to yours. Enjoy.